A cylinder has two congruent parallel bases. The bases of a cylinder are... No, the circle. A circle.
That's how you spell slowly.
No, it doesn't matter. Okay, an altitude of a cylinder is a perpendicular segment that joins the circles together. I already answered that question, dude. Okay, the blank of a cylinder is the length of the altitude. Okay, you could put height right there. The height. Oh, H-E-I. G-H-T. The net of a cylinder is seen below. Okay, so this is a net of a cylinder. If you guys had like a paper towel roll and unroll just like one sheet of it, it's going to be a rectangle off of the roll. And this is the top of the roll, this is the bottom of the roll, all laid out flat for you. Now, to find the lateral area and the surface area of this, it's the same thing as the other one. Okay, it's still a prism. Okay, but there's a slight difference. For the lateral area, before it was perimeter times the altitude, right? Right? Yeah. But we don't say perimeter with circles. What do we say?
Circumference.
Yeah, we say circumference. So I'm going to say C times A. C is circumference. I'm just going to say circumf and put a period. Okay, and then, so that's our lateral area. I got to put a LA right there. That kind of drives me crazy. And the surface area is still kind of actually this one I think is exactly the same. It's going to be C, or lateral area.
Still the area.
Yeah, plus 2 of the bases. And B equals the area of the bases. Area of bases. Now you have to remember the circumference formula and the area formula of a circle. So circumference is d pi, or you can say 2r times pi. I mean 2r's is a d, right? Or you can and then for the area of the circle,
pi r squared.
This one is yeah, pi r squared, or you can say r squared times pi. It doesn't matter. Okay, just make sure you know those also, and these actually can be put into these formulas right here. Like you could put d pi right there for C instead of A, or I'm sorry, you could put d pi in place of C for circumference, and you could put r squared pi for the B if you like, but it don't matter. Let's try an example. Find the lateral area and surface area. Leave your answers in terms of pi. No problem. Let's do it. Okay, so I like drawing stuff on my picture. So this is 5 right here, and we know that this is 17. So the lateral area is the circumference times the altitude, the height. So the circumference here is going to be 10 pi, because 10 is your diameter. If let's see, let's draw one right here. That's going to be 10. And then we have to multiply that times the altitude, which is 17. 17 times 10 is 170. Then we have our pi chilling right there. And we don't multiply out the pi because it says leave in terms of pi. Let's highlight that guy. All right. The next thing you would have to do, we found this lateral area. Now let's find the surface area. To find the surface area, we got to take the lateral area, which was 170 pi, and we're going to add that to the two areas of the bases. Now, areas of the bases are going to be pi r squared, and our r is 5. So it'll look like this, r squared pi, so it would be 5 squared pi. And 5 squared is 25, so I'm going to put 25 pi right there. 25 times 2 is going to be 50 pi. And we have to add that to 170 pi. Those are like terms, so we can add them together. We get 220 pi, and we done. Oh wait, do we have labels? Yeah, we have units. This is inches squared, and the other one is also inches squared. Beautiful. Here's another cylinder one, but this time they don't give us a picture. So we draw a picture ourselves. They do give us some information. They tell us that the height is 4, and they also tell us that the area of the circle is 36 pi. Okay, and this says Oh, we have to find the lateral area and the surface area. So let's find the lateral area first. In order to find the lateral area, we must have the circumference. So we need to know what D is. What's D?
12.
How do you know it's 12? Oh, I know. Because we know the area of a circle is 36 pi. And this is supposed to be r squared, right?
Yep.
So r squared pi. So what do we have to square to get 36? Well, to undo squared, we would square root. So what's the square root of 36?
6.
That'd be 6. So that means it'd be 6 squared pi. That means our radius is 6. Let's draw that in. That's 6. So our radius is 6. So what's our diameter?
12.
So we have 12 pi. That's our yeah. That's our circumference that we got from multiplying the diameter times the pi. And we have to take that and multiply it times the height, or the altitude. 4 times 12 is going to be 48 pi. And that's our lateral area. To find our surface area, we just have to take the 48 pi and add that to 2 of the bases. And that was already given to us. 36 pi is the area of the base. 2 times 36, that's 72. Pi stays the same. We have 48 pi right there. Now we go 72 plus 48. Is that 110? Is it?
120.
Oh, it's 120. Yeah, you're right. 120 pi. And what's our units? Centimeters squared. Sweet.